Okay, so another big update from Meta over the last week is that Meta is now turning all Facebook videos into Reels. So for a while, we've had on Facebook videos, Reels, and Stories. We've now got Reels and Stories. So they're removing the need to choose between uploading a video or uploading a reel. The content creation process for videos is now streamlined. So ideally, the reason for this is just to make it easier to create video content on Facebook. What's happening is existing video content on your pages will remain, but every new video that you create and post moving forward will automatically be a reel. So what do we know about reels? Well, they are vertical. That's the 9:16 aspect ratio. And they need to be engaging within the first few seconds. They are ideally less than a minute long. So really thinking about how to apply those best practices to your existing video is important if you are looking to upload reels on Facebook. Users will still be able to control their audience settings and can now choose who sees their reels, including friends, select group, or the public. And from a business point of view, of course, you want all of your posts to be going public. So this also applies to video except live streams. So live streams still fall into their own video category with its own separate capture and upload flow. So if you are still utilizing live streaming on Facebook, then do be aware that that is still a live that you choose, not necessarily a reel. In terms of your video metrics, Meta says that video and Reels metrics will now be consolidated into the Reels analytics section. This was the image that they chose to share this information with on their blog. We thought this one was a bit surprising because the video that they've chosen on the right-hand side is actually a landscape video for the demonstration. And so you can see that there's an awful lot of blank space in that user experience. You can, of course, tap on the full screen by flipping your phone, and that will make the video go full screen. But I'd imagine that the best performing video will be vertical video because you can see it just takes up the full screen. It's far more engaging to people. So the video tab on Facebook will be renamed to the Reels tab, and these changes are being rolled out globally to both profiles and Facebook pages over the coming months.